It's down to 1 or 2 votes, so please, if you want to make that difference, if you want to be voting, this is a serious deal. This is the Lord Mayor of Glenville for the next 2017 Glenville Lord Mayor. Duty of the Lord Mayor is to make his way down, did I say his? There, because there is of course a dog and a lady involved as well. The doors are now locked. That's to prevent any funny business. Amazingly, the ice cream van is still doing a blinding business. What's wrong with me? I'm frozen. Okay, listen, this piece of jewellery has been handcrafted. This is 25 carat gold. We chewed next to carat in there for the laugh, and maybe parsnip or two. You're expecting to see a set of keys inside your pocket. They're not there. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our contestants a big round of applause. All their campaigning, all the weeks of slogging.
Don't drag this out to announce the winner, right? So the winner is better than that. And the winner is Team Cal. Let's see your hands in the air. Here we go. Congratulations and celebrate. So please, wherever you may end up tonight, have a wonderful weekend. And we'll do it all over again this time next year.
think.